Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Adobe Sensei preferences, full guide step by step clearly. To reset Adobe Sensei preferences, first, ensure that Adobe Sensei is fully closed. Next, navigate to your computer's file management system. For Windows users, open the Run dialog by pressing the Windows key and R simultaneously. Type in %appdata% and press Enter to access the app data folder. Locate the Adobe folder within the app data directory. Open the Adobe folder and find the Sensei subfolder. Once you find the Sensei folder, look for a file named Preferences or a similar configuration file. Delete the Preferences file to reset the settings. For Mac users, begin by closing Adobe Sensei completely. Then, open Finder and click on Go in the menu bar. Hold down the Option key and select Library from the drop-down menu. Inside the Library folder, navigate to Preferences. Locate the Adobe folder and open it. Find the Sensei subfolder within the Adobe folder. Look for the Preferences file and move it to the trash to delete it. After deleting the Preferences file, reopen Adobe Sensei. The software will create a new Preferences file with default settings. Verify that the changes have taken effect by checking the functionalities within the application. This concludes the process of resetting Adobe Sensei preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.